Hi guys, this is Liz. The seeds that I'm going to sow are good for zones 6 and 7. I can only buy the bitter melon fruit from an Asian supermarket which is about 200 miles from my home. So I'm really into planting them so that I have my own harvest. I have here some seedlings, and each cell I think I planted 2 to 4 seeds, newly germinated seedlings. So the seeds an inch in depthness, and expected germination days is within 2 weeks. It takes about 70 days to harvest. I harvest the firm and green fruit about 4 to 6 inches in length, or depending upon the variety. If I want to harvest the mature seeds for planting in the next growing season, I let the fruit turn yellow or orange, making them fully ripe. Then I can collect the seeds, and also you can still eat the ripe fruit. We love to eat beans. You can grow the bush or the pole beans. I prefer to grow the bush beans. I have here the top crop variety. The next one is the cucumber seeds. The Armenian yard-long variety is the one that I like because the flesh and the skin are hard compared to the muncher variety. This is good for canning, and this one, if you want to eat the harvest immediately, this is better. Sow the seeds half-inch deep. You can start harvesting within 7 weeks. First, I soak the okra seeds overnight and then sow them an inch deep in the soil. And this is the variety that I planted in this area. These okras are the baby boba hybrid. You can harvest the okra fruit in a month's time. This is a black beauty zucchini, and you can harvest the fruit in 8 weeks. I got a little zucchini there. The golden zucchini seeds were sold 3 weeks ago. Days to germinate is 10 to 14. Fruit size is 6 to 8 inches. I have a hard time letting the seeds of this winter squash germinate. This time I'm going to sow 5 seeds. The depthness is about 1 inch. Germination days is 7 to 10. The variety is Table Queen Acorn. Days to harvest is 75 days.